Okay, so after swatching all these, I finally found, well, I wanted the nude because I'm doing the allure nails. So this is the swatch to this one right here, and that is number 64. And I'm gonna do it in green because I did post on TikTok. Okay, so my friends over at Azsure Beauty sent over their fall essentials dip kit. I'm super excited to use it. But what color should I use? Let me know in the comment section. What color? And I'm thinking like the allure style nails. So let me know what 2 colors you guys suggest. I'm not a pink girl, so we won't be doing that one. But everything's up for suggestions. Let me know. If you're not following me on TikTok, what are you doing? Make sure you follow me. She said the green would look nice. I'll go ahead and leave that comment up here. But yeah, I want to do the allure nails. I'm going to try to do some and then come back. I did try it out because I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to just do the nude, see what they say. Only one person comment. What's up with that? So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. That's what today's upload is. If you guys like videos like these, if you are into beauty DIYs, if you're into fashion, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get to the video. So I'm gonna prop you guys up. I gotta buff my nails because I have gel, builder gel on my nails. I'm gonna buff my nails out and then come back. Okay, so I have all 4 fingers dipped, and now I'm gonna apply the activator on there, and then I'm gonna file it, and then I will probably do the base again to try to do the allure nails. This will be my first time doing it, so let's see if it works. I'm posting this either way, if it works or if it fails. Let's hope it works though. Hold on. So I definitely see some parts that I want to go ahead and file, but I'm gonna let the activator sink in for a second, and then I'm gonna apply the activator again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and file it. And I might have to just apply some more to see where we're at. Hey friends, I wanted to pop in right quick to give a special shout out to my first commenter out there right here, and make sure you guys are commenting so you guys can get a shout out as well. I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy the rest of the video. fail, y'all. It was a fail. I gotta look back and see how you do it.
Coming out from them. So maybe like 1 or 2 new releases. But I think that's about, or just talk about enough to where, you know, someone doesn't just sit there and go, that. What they do, what they up to. Also, something to keep in mind is as a black woman, we're able to has the same sort of like finances that other brands do, which is why it is hard. Not just black owned brands,